All right, back at it. Our chicken is nice and brown. I'm going to pull that chicken breast out. Beautiful color. I put that in the oven and keep it warm. I'm going to come back and right away put some of those onions and garlic in there. See some of that bond left at the bottom of the pan. We're going to scrape all that up, get it mixing. Now once you get the aroma, you know the whole roll. The onion's going to go translucent. The garlic's going to start getting translucent. You're going to smell all that garlic cooking. Get all the aroma. And when it starts to brown a little bit, that's when we're going to add our lemon juice, capers, and chicken stock. All right, there we go. We're ready. Now we're going to let that reduce down a little bit. Once it reduces by half, we'll be right back.